Hey guys, I'm Abhishek. Today I'm here to unbox two sky bags of L size. In centimeter, it will be 67 and 68 centimeter.
Here's jobong price.
Here, the sky bag logo, and its original price is 11,000. But I got it only on Jobong at 4,000. Here, checking out the bag. It's look very nice. Look at the color. Amazing, guys. You should buy it. It has 4 wheels and this TSL lock. And handle is also quite good. This long handle you can put there any bag, laptop bag, so it helps you there. And I'm just happy about it. And this is the lock, and it is 007. We open it. And the space is really very good, and there I have got a bag for carrying certificates or anything. And here it is. The space is very large, and here the warranty card I have got, and 5 years worldwide warranty. So the bag is really very good, and I should prefer that you should buy it. I bought for my friend also this Jobong product, and it's really quite beautiful. And look at this, it's very nice. I'm happy. Thank you Jobong for this amazing product. It's 360. I think it's 360. Look, 360, dust proof, waterproof, and the metal is good, which is made of. And here it is. You can also use like this as a suitcase. Thank you guys for watching this video. Have a good day, and then thank you.